Hey, what's up with it? I'm Daryl Session. It's Tony Session. It's still the Dallas Cowboys session. 24-7. Cowboys on the open. The Giants, 9 years in a row, come smashing. First game, now 2012. It's all about the Cowboys. We had 433 total yards, 290 passing yards, 143 rushing yards, only one turnover. We possessed the clock, 8 minutes and 54 more seconds than the Giants. So the overview, we keep the Giants' ass 24-17. You know what I'm saying? So the first game, we come out smashing. What you think?
Man, we putting it all in their face, not doing no talking in our game, do the talking, look really good all the way around. You know, Cowboys is what it is. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna say,
grabbing my head like Tony Romo, what you doing it to? Grabbing my head like Tony Romo, what you doing it to? The receiver? Cause he ain't throwing it to the receiver. He just threw that ball. But he's surprised with a little bit of pose, a little bit of leadership. Tony Romo using his legs, buying a little bit of time. You know what I'm saying? Comes out and do what he gotta do. Last time, somebody was like, really? You blame it on Tony Romo? Yeah, I'm gonna say it again. As Tony Romo goes, the Dallas Cowboys go. Tony played great, the Dallas Cowboys played great. Tony played to win, we win. You know what I'm saying? He had 22, he went 22 of 29. You know what I'm saying? He totaled 307 yards after the 433 Tony Romo. You know what I'm saying? He throw that little pick, but he don't let it bother him. A lot of people said, due to his son, this, blah, blah, blah. He matured, but he showed that maturity. So Tony Romo, like I said, 125.9 rating percentage. He did what he did, he made the Cowboys do what he did.
because I'm about to say straight finesse quarterback is what Tony Romo did. Out the gate, you know, straight veteran. I know straight veteran. I'm giving that veteran, you know what I'm saying? He did his job, went out there, offensive line definitely helped Tony Romo out. And with the offensive line helping Tony Romo out, Romo will kill you.
Everybody Kevin this, Kevin that, over 3 this, over 3 that. For me, you got Miles Austin on one side, Dez Bryant on the other side. Put me in as a third receiver.
You?
Me, and I'm gonna get some yards.
Okay.
So yeah, Ogletree did a great job, played great, stepped up as a third receiver. But do not mix the credit up. You got double Brian on one side or Miles Austin playing like he played 2 seasons ago. You saw that spectacular catch. You know what I'm saying? The third receiver, as long as he do his job, he gonna be open. It's like Michael Irvin making that space for Alvin Harper. So Ogletree, yes sir, good job, appreciate it. But Dez Bryant made 2 key catches, ran his routes right, you know what I'm saying, and had a great quiet game. Did what he's supposed to do. So everybody talking about Ogletree, off his line, did what they had to do. What do you say?
And I'm gonna say this here, with precise running routes and being that third receiver, Ogletree should be and have a career year. And I said it again, Ogletree should have a career year because like you said, with doubling Bryant and Austin, I'm open.
Cowboys did good. Tony Romo stepped up when I got a player over here said that we need to get rid of him. Tony Romo did good.
If you ask me, the Cowboys did an alright job. You know?
Cowboys, first game against the Giants, man, I think it was a good game. They started off with a good game this year. They took off right. Tony Romo did all the excellent job he needed to do. Forget what everybody else talking about with Tony Romo, man. He stepped up to the plate and did his thing. The Ogletree boy, man, that boy, he stayed wide open at all times of the game. That boy, shout out to Austin. Austin did his thing, jumped up, caught that pass. Hey, Cowboys, they do Cowboy. Cowboys, they did good. I can't lie, I can't deny it. Tony Romo looks great.
I like the Cowboys. I like it too. Like the Cowboys. I like it too.
And game recognized game. Tony Romo ain't the problem with the Cowboys. They fix that D, they gonna be all right.
I like it too.
We did a hell of a job. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk, man. We did a hell of a job. We gonna keep doing it. We gonna keep pushing, man. We going 11-5, man.
I like it too.
Check it out. We Cowboys had a good game against the Giants, the defending world champions. We came out and showed we had heart, and we did that. We didn't lay down and just let y'all run us over. Jason Garrett, good game calling, good play calling. You kept airing it out. You didn't just sit down and lay down like you normally do. Defense played good. My boy Mo Claiborne showed up. All our new acquisitions on the defense showed up. We ready to go.
I like it too.
Tony Romo.
Tell all you haters something about Tony Romo. I'm gonna pour you a cup. Okay? I'm gonna pour you a cup of shut the hell up about Tony Romo.
Cowboys ain't did nothing but win one game.
I'm placing Tony Romo on top 5, man, NFL, man. Tony Romo.
Don't get rid of Tony Romo.
That's the problem. Fix the D, you got a team.
Some old Tony Romo. You know what I'm talking about?
Tony Romo for president. Tony Romo for president. Tony Romo for president. Nah, I'm just playing. Obama all day, baby. But Tony Romo ain't the problem. He gonna prove y'all wrong just like Dirk did for the Dallas Mavericks. Tony Romo finna bring a championship to Dallas, baby.
They gonna have to run Felix Jones a little bit more. You cannot make DeMarco Murray a 4-down back. On 3rd down, sometime key positions, you gonna have to bring Felix Jones in there. The boy gonna get too tired. So for me on the offense, you know what I'm saying? I still want Jason Garrett. Once the run open up, you gotta tease him, you got a deep threat. Dez Bryant, I don't give a damn what you say. Deep threat. You gonna have to show that.
With that line opening up, we would kill Romo.
Offense look good.
Baby, I don't like
Offense look good.
Baby, I don't like
Offense.
Dez Bryant catching them balls. I like what Dez Bryant doing out there, man. He a champ, man. That boy Marcus Murray, he right too. That boy Overtree, he right too. Keep Austin out there, man. Winning champion team, man. Do your thing. Y'all got nice receivers. Cowboys got offense. This Cowboys got offense. This Cowboys got offense.
I like it too.
This Cowboys got Dez Bryant and Miles Austin.
We got some improvement, you know what I'm saying? Keep going in there in that playbook and pulling some more stunts out. You know, we got to do 4 more stunts in Super Days, you know?
my boy Ogletree, that's not hype. Our 3rd receiver is always gonna be our most productive receiver. He might not be our best receiver, he always gonna be the most productive. Y'all need to learn back football, man.
3 times.
How many times?
3 times.
3 sacks we gave Eli Manning for. 2 by DeMarcus Ware. We had some great defense players. The linebackers was quick, man. The linebackers played good game. And what I liked was that secondary, that much improved secondary.
Yes.
Let me talk about Mo Claiborne. Okay? He had some balls caught on him. But what you notice, if you see every time a ball was caught, he was right there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like he got burnt. You know what I'm saying? You playing in the NFL, you gonna get catches caught on you. But every time somebody was caught, he was in the vicinity right there. You know what I'm saying? So you see him as a rookie, he can't do nothing but get better. Right. So with that much improved secondary, and defense, man, we look good, man.
Yes.
We look good.
Yes.
What you gotta say about the defense?
Man, the defense is, man, I'm loving it. If you try to throw on us, we're gonna already show, you know, you might catch a pass or 2, but we're gonna pick you off, but we're gonna defend, you know what I'm saying, on secondary. I definitely say I haven't seen that secondary look like this in years.
The goal line defense, the goal line offense.
Okay.
We shut them down on the first yard line. Okay, Born, you did good. Hey, 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 Born, you did good.
Defense. DeMarcus Ware, man. Defense. DeMarcus Ware, man. Defense. DeMarcus Ware, man. Defense.
Claiborne, man. I just feel like Claiborne could have stepped it up just a little bit more, man. Carter did a thing. Y'all got rid of Terrence Newman, man. I think y'all should go back and get that boy, man. Y'all should have never got rid of my boy, man, T. New, man. I don't care what y'all niggas say, man. T. New still got it. He gonna clown on y'all boys. Y'all gonna see, man.
Defense.
Keep your faith.
Defense.
Keep your faith.
Defense.
Keep your faith.
Defense.
It's got good receivers. They did a good job. You know, Carr, Claiborne. I think Claiborne gonna be a beast. Marcus Ware, you know what I'm saying? He doing his thing. The Defense look good overall, man. I think they're gonna be all right.
Defense.
Excellent job, secondary, especially when they all the communication. We needed that. We needed all the communication that we got out there. You can see it in the year before. Getting rid of the bombs that we had last year, like T. Newman.
Defense.
Defense. I like how them cornerbacks was playing the ball. Yeah, we got a couple passes caught on us, but what DB don't? You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to my boy Anthony Spencer. He showed his ass this game. He showed his ass. Anthony Spencer, DeMarcus Ware, Sean Lee, all of y'all balled out.
David Wilson, rookie. Jose carried the ball, running hard. Ball pop out. He fumbled. I know you a rookie and everything. Stop bitch. Stop bitch. Stop bitch. Stop bitch. Stop bitch. He go to the sideline. He started crying. What? I thought I crying like, woo, crying, looking ass, boy. No, then you in the NFL. You got to step it up. You fumble, you suck it up, you play. But I guess the Giants didn't appreciate it because he didn't carry the ball again. Not never.
I think he was bitching. I think he was bitching. I think he was bitching. I think he was bitching.
A little emotional. I was too, man. I lost some money, so man, I can understand. You know what I'm saying?
Baby ass nigga to me, man.
Hey!
Cry baby ass nigga, boy.
Stop bitch.
Baby ass nigga to me, man.
Hey!
Cry baby ass nigga, boy.
Stop bitch.
Baby ass nigga to me, man.
Hey!
Cry baby ass nigga, boy.
Stop bitch.
Oh man, baby. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's a game.
Suck it up, right?
Don't cry. Hit Sean Lee. Skip that ball. Don't cry. Don't cry. Hit Sean Lee. Skip that ball.
Cowboys 2-0 this week.
Oh, hey.
Next week, September 17th, y'all be on the lookout for that Black Friday, the album coming out. You know what I'm saying? Your boy T Flowers, you know what I'm talking about.
Real recognize real, man. Young Barrett, man. Never been a square, man. Catch me at Big Boy Barbershop, 281-905-6261. Holla at Barrett. Who next?
A1, baby. This Kia Live. It go right here, Big Boys go down.
Renegade boys, Renegade boys, Renegade boys.
Boy Cream up here at Big Boy Barbershop, you know what I'm saying? Getting down. New barber on the scene.
Big boys, man.
I'm up here chopping people up at Big Boy Barbershop. It's your boy Money Mike. Come get your Money Mike bands, you already know. Chopping people up Monday through Sunday, all day, every day. What's up? Holla at me.